Oh, look. Something to kill. Yep, so it was what we expected. It was a lot of knitted stuff, but it was alright, wasn't it?
Yeah, I feel like car boot sales here are full of like older people. But yeah, look at this pretty plant. It was only $5.
Yeah, so that'll be out on the deck. Hopefully it lasts a bit longer than some of the other flowers. Yeah, it was right for a freebie, wasn't it? Just one around, few
Yeah,
flowers. Yeah.
happy with that.
Right, next stop. Pup's birthday yesterday. So she's 5. So we are taking her to Pet Barn to go and get her a birthday cake.
Yeah, it was a bit busy yesterday. We didn't have time, but she's just spreading her birthday across 2 days.
Yeah, she likes to have a nice birthday weekend. So yeah, we're gonna go and get her a treat.
Yes, we just had to stop en route though because she needed a number 1 and a number 2. But she happened to stop at a bird's house.
Oh yeah,
Bird's
so
nest.
it's getting near nesting season. So as she was trying to poo, a bird was telling her to go away.
Yeah, we were getting swooped, so
So after this, we are going to Doggy Beach to let Pup have a run around. Right, take 2. Now we're going to go into the city this time.
yes.
A bit of shopping, a bit of bite to eat, and maybe if we got some time left, we're going to head back to Grease Fest Part 2. It shuts at Sunday, 6 p.m. on a Sunday, so we'll see how it is.
Yeah, it was really interesting, and we'll definitely publish a video solely on Grease Fest because it's worth its own video.
Yeah, definitely a lot of nice stuff to look at, so yeah, keep an eye out for that video. See you in a bit. Right, it's Sunday now. Yesterday did a boot sale. Lost a little bit of footage of us going into the boot sale, but got us wandering around. What do we do after the boot sale?
Then we
Went to the pet shop.
Yes, and we also went to the dog
Beach for a bit. Then we had youngest netball, so sat in there for a while. They won, obviously. What do we do? And then we were going to get into the city, so we we touched on our cards and just going to go and catch a train.
but the train was going to be like half an hour. We missed it, so
Didn't do that. We went and got some food. Noodle Talks, our new favourite. So finally found it's not really a takeaway, proper Chinese, mainly noodles, hence the name, but it was nice, isn't it?
held us up from lunch till tea time. And that was really good.
Then I had to go to the golf shop to get some golf shoes, so I haven't got any over here.
And then we went to the shopping centre and the youngest got her ears pierced. So it was quite a busy day yesterday.
And we just chilled, didn't we, in the end?
We just watched a film, didn't we?
So now it's Sunday. We managed to win some tickets to a Grease Fest. Cool. Basically, it's a load of American muscle, a lot of old 40s, 50s, 60s, 70s style cars.
And lots of people that like music and lots of people that dress up in the style of Grease from that era.
Live music, a lot of food stalls.
We'll do a video on that and let you know what it's like.